Welcome to the Learning Resource Center. If you're looking for subscribed databases, go to the following webpage: library.umt.edu.pk. Now click the Learning Resources tab and then click e-Databases at the left of the page. Here is the complete list of the databases subscribed by UMT. In this tutorial, you will learn how to search an ASTM database. The ASTM Standards Engineering Digital Library is a vast collection of industry-leading standards and technical engineering information. It covers a broad range of engineering disciplines, including aerospace, biomedical, chemical, civil, environmental, geological, health and safety, industrial, materials science, mechanical, nuclear, petroleum, soil science and solar engineering. When you open ASTM through UMT Network, you need not any institutional login. Welcome to Higher Education Commission shows that access is provided by UMT. Now click the search bar and write down the search query, also click My Subscription option. Now click your desired title to review the article online. Then click the download button to download the full text article. Thank you.